All right, here we are hanging out with Matt, now the founder of SacSurfacePro. These guys do tile, these guys do carpet, these guys do floors. We're gonna really dig deep and find out what they're all about, the reason for the company, where it all happened, and of course the motivation, inspiration for this company. So how you doing, man?
Good, doing great.
Did I get everything right when I said carpet this morning?
Carpet, no carpet.
No carpet, guys, no carpet. Don't call for carpet, call the guys down the street.
Tile and grout, we do granite countertops, we clean, seal, polish, and shower glass. We take water spots off the shower glass, and we put a coating, a HydroShield coating on the glass to make it easy to clean.
Now, where did this company start? How long ago did this whole thing happen?
So I started in February of 2005, so almost going on 16 years ago.
16 years already.
And it started, I was actually in the glass industry. My dad owned a glass company, and I worked in the glass industry for probably 15 years or so, and I used to be an installer of shower doors, and so there was a company that put the coating on the glass, and that's ultimately how I got into this business, was through the glass industry. So we use HydroShield products, used them for, like I said, almost since the very beginning, almost 16 years now.
Is that what you guys are using right here on this floor here?
So on this one, we're actually just going to clean this one because the
Grout.
client is actually just listing this home, so we're not actually doing the ceiling. In this case, it doesn't make sense just to pay extra money just because they're on their way out. But typically, yes, we clean and seal.
Now with this one here, you're doing the floor, there's the grout through there. You're cleaning all that up. And,
right.
I know the kitchen looked pretty bad, so I'm assuming the hallway was probably about the same.
Yeah, I mean this one's got some dirt in the grout lines for sure. Usually when we clean tile and grout, not only the grout cleans up, but the tile as well, and lightens up. It just brightens up. People just don't realize. Everybody calls, they say, "I want my grout clean because the grout looks dirty." But typically the tile, is a few shades lighter when we clean as well.
No kidding. Very, very interesting. Now, what do you guys do? What separates you from the competition, from these other companies that are out there?
I think, one big thing is experience. At this point, like I said, almost 16 years, that's a big difference. We do a lot of extra things as far as we put tarps, over the carpets, just to protect the client's surfaces. We have corner guards. That's a big part of what we do as well. It's not just the cleaning, but it's also treating their home as if it was our own.
Now, you have some huge equipment. I've seen some of these cleaning. I'm looking, it's got, MagnaFlow exhaust on it. Of course, I'm a car guy, so I'm looking at it's got MagnaFlow exhaust and a Honda motor, and I'm like, man, this thing is insane. Is this typical for this industry? Because that thing looks like a racing engine out there.
That one out there is definitely a one-off. There's not another one like it. So that one's custom built. And I've made modifications over the years. It started out with just kind of an older looking, kind of pieced together type thing. And, over the years I've had it painted and, upgraded the engine to a Honda engine, put the MagnaFlow muffler system on there. So, yeah.
What inspired you to do that?
So actually that wasn't even my idea, really. I actually took it in to get the new engine.
It reminds me of Home Improvement when he goes, we need more power.
Right. Yeah, actually the motivation for that was actually really just to make it quieter, just when we're in people's neighborhoods, just so the neighbors aren't getting blasted with lots of noise, so just to tone down the noise. That was the motivation behind it. But I didn't really come up with that idea. I took it in to get to the shop that I've taken it to for a lot of years, and they put the engine on, and I said, "Can you make it quieter?" And I showed up, and there was the chrome MagnaFlow muffler system.
That's so awesome! Dual exhaust, chrome tips, side pipes coming off. No, so when you're doing these homes, you come in. Is there a consultation fee? How does all that work? When somebody calls
on this one, no. We came in. He wanted an estimate to do the cleaning. He wanted to make it look nice for the sale of the home. Definitely in this case, first impressions definitely matter. The client walks in, it's dirty. It's just that's not what people are looking to buy as much. So it being clean definitely makes a big difference to people.
And then with this, is this typically doing the floor and the tile? Is that typically the traditional client, or does it go different directions as well?
Those main three surfaces, tile and grout, granite countertop, shower glass, those are kind of our main three, but we're doing those pretty much every single day. A lot of tile and grout, I will say, since the pandemic started. We're doing a lot more tile and grout.
people are in their homes.
Yeah, and I think they're looking at it. They're home all day and they see the floors and like, man, we should get these cleaned, you know. So
That's awesome. That's super cool. Anything that you want to leave with the audience before they call you and do business with you?
just like I said, I think experience is a big difference with us. We've been doing it a long time, and you can call us. I mean, we care about doing a good job. Go look online. We have plenty of Google reviews, Yelp reviews. There's plenty of people that we've done work for that have actually written reviews for us that are real happy with our work. I mean, that's our goal on every client is to make them happy.
And what's your phone number and website?
So the phone number is 916-505-0905, and the website is SacSurfacePro.com.
SacSurfacePro.com. Give these guys a call. If you guys are having dirty floors, dirty counters, the shower doors are kind of icky, just give these guys a call. They'll get you all dialed in, all checked out. Now, the next episode, we're going to start digging into the actual process and what they're doing to actually, to make those floors sparkle and shine. So stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Pleasure.